Hello class, this is Neha and the topic of our today's discussion is going to be machine learning. In the last class we have seen the concept of artificial intelligence and it has two subparts as I earlier told you, machine learning and deep learning. So in this video we will see the concept of machine learning. So, what is machine learning? It is a branch of AI, I have told you earlier, that is based on the idea that machines learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal or no human intervention. So, what does this mean? See, as the name tells you, machine learning. It means that you are making the machine to learn by using what? By using the data. See, here it is written that machines learn from data. As we all know that the present world is moving toward the digitization. Digitization is there in each and every field. Means what will be the output of digitization? A huge amount of data is produced from each and everything, like from each and every device is producing huge amount of data, like in the field of medical, all the electronic health records, in the field of agriculture, in the field of computers. So a huge amount of data is available to us. So what we can do is we can make use of that data and we can make use of the powerful computing technology like machine learning to make the machine learn. Why we can do so? Because machine learning has the ability to identify patterns in huge amount of data. So we can use that data and the computing technology machine learning to identify patterns so that the machine is capable of making decision and prediction on its own with no human involvement or with minimal amount of human involvement. This is what is the concept of machine learning. So this can be used as a method of data analysis. It is a subset of artificial intelligence. It refers to a system that self learns. I have told you this thing, that there is no human involvement and also the system is not explicitly programmed. Explicitly programmed means you are not coding for this, or you are not asking the machine to perform a action on the basis of code. You are asking the machine to learn from the data, to learn from its past experience just as the humans do and make the decisions accordingly. And also the machines improve with time. Just like humans, you improve from your past experiences. You know that in the past you have made this mistake and in the future you don't have to make a mistake, or you have to avoid such kind of trouble. So the in the similar way, machine also self learn from its experience based on the algorithms. There are various algorithms that we will see in the next videos, but for the time being you just know the concept of machine learning, that what it actually is. Also the machines get smarter and smarter over time. This I have told you. The picture shows the relationship among artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So we can conclude that machine learning is the science of getting machines to act without being explicitly programmed. Means machine learning is the science that allows the machine to act like humans without being, act like not humans but learn the things like humans without being explicitly programmed, just from analyzing the data and identifying the patterns in the complex data. So this is the concept of machine learning. And what is deep learning? डीप लर्निंग में क्या होता है? डीप लर्निंग इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय द फंक्शन एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ह्यूमन ब्रेन. Like the brain understands the abilities or the functions by using neurons. In the same way, deep learning has artificial neural network that has one input layer, in the middle it has hidden layer, and at the end it has output layer. So it is inspired by the functioning of the human brain. Deep learning is used when we have huge amount of data, whereas machine learning can be used with small amount of data set also. So this was the difference. Thanks a lot.